Everyone, I myself Lungdidangbe from 9th batch of this school, Salamemi School, Hangrum. I graduated in the year 2017. Right now, I've passed out my class 12 and also I did my diploma from Barbeta, Lower Assam. Well, thank you, Sir Samuel and Miss, and also thank you everyone for giving me a time. At first I thought I don't see myself there in the previous video, so I just came out in my mind, why not I stand here so that I could see myself in Golden Jubilee. Well, thank you. I will be singing a Zeme traditional song, folk song. It's like a love song. The song goes like this. Aram rum lo kita iringkam kata zendrai lai. Hello, go may low, hello, go may matai low. Aram rum lo is a pegumba. Canai la pui que se sacanai sangamungra the sensilai. Aram rum lo is a pegumba. The song is like this. Well, I'm still practicing this flute, like the Zeme traditional flute. There are a lot of seniors out there in the audience. Please bear with me. Itechi malaya lira korele le ina pakali ante wong la korele da hai na le na lo tetsu mo so ga hang sa ko le ki le. Thank you.